This is the Tonal Smart Home Gym, and according to the company, it can replace an entire gym with just a sleek screen mounted to your wall. Sounds kind of insane, right? But after spending real time with it, I realized there's one thing the ads don't really prepare you for, and it could completely change whether this thing is worth your money or not. So is Tonal actually the future of fitness, or just a really expensive gadget? Tonal Smart Home Gym Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Tonal Smart Home Gym is basically a wall-mounted digital strength training system created by Tonal. It first launched in 2018, but the platform has evolved a lot with smarter coaching features, better workout tracking, and more advanced resistance modes. The big selling point? Instead of traditional weights, Tonal uses digital resistance powered by electromagnetic technology. That means up to 200 pounds of adjustable resistance without a single dumbbell lying around your house. It's designed for busy professionals, apartment dwellers, tech lovers, and honestly anyone who wants guided strength training without commuting to a gym. Tonal Smart Home Gym Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? Honestly, this thing feels surprisingly legit. I used it for everything from quick 20-minute upper body sessions to longer full-body strength workouts, and the resistance system is shockingly smooth. There's no clanking metal, no jerky cable movement, just consistent tension that feels way more natural than I expected. And here's the really cool part. Tonal automatically adjusts the weight for you. If you're struggling during a set, it can reduce resistance slightly. If you're crushing reps easily, it bumps things up. It sounds gimmicky on paper, but in practice, it actually feels like having a smart personal trainer watching your form and progression. The AI coaching is also genuinely useful. The system tracks reps, range of motion, strength progress, and workout history over time. For beginners, that's huge because you don't have to think about programming your workouts. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually make Tonal stand out. First up is the adaptive digital weight system. Instead of manually loading plates, the machine changes resistance instantly with a tap. That means faster workouts and way less setup time, which matters a lot when you're squeezing in a session before work. Then there's Smart Flex, Chains Mode, and Eccentric Mode. These are resistance modes designed to mimic advanced gym training techniques. For example, eccentric mode increases resistance during the lowering phase of a lift, which helps maximize muscle growth without needing heavier weights overall. Another standout feature is the massive workout library. You're not just buying hardware, you're getting guided programs, live classes, recovery workouts, yoga, HIIT, mobility training, and more. It feels a bit like the fitness version of Netflix. And the form tracking is honestly impressive. Tonal uses sensors and motion analysis to monitor your movement patterns, which can help reduce bad lifting habits before they turn into injuries. Design and build. Aesthetically, Tonal absolutely nailed the design. This thing looks more like a futuristic smart TV than a piece of gym equipment. The minimalist black finish and slim wall-mounted profile make it ideal for apartments or smaller homes where a full rack setup just isn't realistic. The adjustable arms feel sturdy and premium, and the whole system operates with impressive smoothness. Nothing rattles or feels cheap. That said, installation is definitely something to consider. You'll need professional installation, proper wall support, and enough clearance space around the unit. So while it saves floor space, it's not exactly something you casually move around. Pros. Excellent AI coaching and personalized progression. Massive workout library with great beginner guidance. Sleek, space-saving design that looks genuinely premium. Cons. Membership is basically required. Serious powerlifters may want heavier resistance. Final verdict. So who is the Tonal Smart Home Gym actually for? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who struggles to stay consistent with gym trips, this thing is seriously compelling. It removes friction. No commute, no waiting for equipment, no guessing what workout to do. You just walk up to it and train.
If you're a busy professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone building a premium home gym setup, Tonal honestly feels like one of the smartest fitness products on the market right now. But if you're a hardcore lifter chasing massive PRs, or if you hate subcarb technology,